Hey guys, I hope all of you are fine and doing well. Welcome back to my channel with another very beautiful video of hand embroidery designs for dresses. Guys, this video contains a very beautiful, elegant, classy and unique collection of sleeves embroidery designs. All you could see is different stylized patterns of sleeves embroidery ranging from embroidery motifs, ranging from borderline embroidery to moving towards very beautiful and pretty creative patterns like hemline embroidery, pattern, borderline, embroidery borders and floral embroidery borders. Guys, this video collection is in the continuation of those previous videos into which I have shared beautiful and creative designs of sleeves embroidery and you appreciated a lot. So you can embroider and beautify the sleeves of your abaya, jalebia, gown, medium length, short length, quarter length dresses, kameez, kurti, frock, blouse, even the beautiful and creative patterns make them more attractive and decent, and the well balanced color combination of embroidery threads make them more unique. So the creativity of these designs is not only limited to this, you can equally use them for machine embroidery also. So I would recommend you to do try these patterns and share your experiences with us, and in the comment section mention below that which design you like the most and what you want us to share with you in our upcoming videos.